kind of don't want to get my mat dirty actually. All right, let's begin. Turn layer 45 degrees and pull out the piece. All right, there we go. Continue to pull it out. There's a lot of lube on the pieces because it comes factory lubed very heavily, as if it was just dumped into like a giant bowl of lube. Very cool. This core can just like put that there, and now we need to clean them. Clean them however you wish, but I'm just gonna use a towel because there's not that much dirt on them. It's more just on the heavily drenched in lube side. So you really wanna get all of that off, and I think the towel does like an okay job at that. And also, like, I'm scared to put water on this because it's a GAN cube. There we go. All done, and we can just move this over here, and here's the core. Do the exact same thing with the core. Clean it with the towel. I don't actually care how you're cleaning it, just clean it. All right, now we have clean pieces, and now I have my bag full of lube and screwdriver that I don't need because this has GES nuts. I'm just gonna put my lube aside here. I'm gonna assemble it, and then we'll get to the lubing. Yeah, this is gonna get difficult at the last two pieces. If you need to, you could just go into the GES nuts and loosen it. But I am so pro gamer that I don't need to. Now I'm gonna solve it really quickly. Yeah, really quickly. Yeah, really quickly. I'm so bad, guys. This is not cool. Okay, so there you go. Now we're gonna start with the lubing. Okay, so I have my weight 5. Take the cube, disassemble corner and one of the edges. Just move that to the side. You can actually, yeah, I'm gonna do it on this piece just so I can show you. Usually I do it actually on the cube because it's easier to get in, but I'm going to try and lube more on the outside. So right here, and I'm also like, I'm going to do a little bit here on the track. That is basically as much as I want on there. And then for the corner, I'm really gonna get some on the outside. So where this curve is really where you want to lube, because this cube is really, really fast. And in my opinion, it needs to be slowed down. If you wanted it even faster for some reason, go ahead, lube more on the inside, or lube more, yeah. You can even add some Comet, you know, make it mega fast. I would highly not recommend doing that. Whoops. But now we're just going to put corner in, and I'm gonna do a little bit of the same thing with this edge. Okay, now once we're done, you can slide last piece and okay, finally. Now break the cube in. This is, yeah, so this is getting really, really slow on the first layer. It's gonna start speeding up a bit. Yeah, I can already feel it. But now it's getting more controllable, which it definitely needs for me. So right now, for me, this is just for me, but I'm going to give some more tips for other people that may not like the feel of this, because everybody's different. Everybody does finger tricks different. Everyone solves different. So I personally just like this cube like this, like how I just set it up, just with weight 5, nothing else. But some people don't like it and may want it faster, may want it slower. So this is how I would do it. I only have 2 other lubes, which is, this one is Comet and this one is Martian. I wiped off the logo on this one, but if you have a slow lube, you can put that in, so like Nebula or something else like that. But if you just have Martian, which I could see that you would only have Martian at weight 5 or weight 6. This is weight 6, by the way, and this is very popular, so I would see that you would have that. If you just have Martian, if you like overdose it with Martian, it'll make it really gummy and it'll slow it down a lot. So you can do that. Don't add Comet to it, because like eventually it's gonna get like way too fast, because no matter how much you put of Comet, it gets really fast eventually. So I would not recommend putting that in unless you want it to be faster for some reason. pro gamer solve. Alright, so yeah, this cube is very good now, and I think most people would like the way that this is. It is still very fast, like U4 with one flick easy, but this cube is just a fast cube, and this is even on 0.6 tensions. Like, this is the tightest it can be, and it's still very fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and sub, and also bye.